Hello guys and welcome back to the reaction tool. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the oxidation number of an element in the compound. And the question is as follows. What is the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7? To solve this question, we have to make an assumption. And the assumption is, let the oxidation number of chromium be X. The compound is K2Cr2O7. So remember that one of the rules for calculating oxidation number is that the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of elements in the compound must be equal to 0. That means that the algebraic sum of the elements in K2Cr2O7, K, Cr, and oxygen, that is potassium, chromium, and oxygen, when we add the oxidation numbers, it must be equal to 0. So what this means is that 2 multiplied by oxidation number of potassium plus 2 multiplied by oxidation number of chromium plus 7 multiplied by oxidation number of oxygen, everything must be equal to 0. Oxidation number of potassium is plus 1, so this is 2 into bracket plus 1 plus 2 into bracket x. The oxidation number of chromium is what we're looking for, plus 7 into bracket minus 2 will be equal to 0. So this becomes 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. And then if you collect like terms, this is 2x minus 14 plus 2 will be equal to 0. 2x minus 12 will be equal to 0. And 2x will be equal to, when this goes to the other side, it becomes plus 12. And x will be plus 12 divided by 2, which is going to give us plus 6. So this tells us that the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7 is plus 6. Thank you for viewing. See you in the next lesson.